Hello guys, welcome. So Revolut X is a crypto-focused service by Revolut, offering users low-fee trading and easy access to digital assets. But is it reliable? Let's break it down. Now guys, firstly, benefits. We have low fees, competitive rates compared to other exchanges. Then it's user-friendly, simple interface for beginners and experienced traders. Security. It has strong encryption and fraud protection. Integration works seamlessly with Revolut's banking features. Now, in terms of the cons, we have limited availability, so it's not accessible in all countries. Withdrawal restrictions, some limitation on crypto withdrawals, not fully decentralized. Funds are managed within Revolut's ecosystem. So we score this 8 out of 10, which is great for beginners, but lacks full crypto control. My friends, Revolut X is a reliable service for easy crypto trading, but it's not ideal for those who want full asset control. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching.